Hi everyone, we are going to make missi roti out of leftover dal, and I have a cup of leftover dal palak. To this dal I'm going to add a quarter cup of finely cut onions, and these are very finely chopped. I added one finely chopped green chili, and this you can adjust to your taste. Spoons of chopped cilantro. So I added some salt to taste. I added about quarter teaspoon of turmeric and about quarter teaspoon of paprika. And now I'm adding about a teaspoon of amchur, and you have to go easy on the salt because your dal already contains some salt, so just salt as needed. Add some atta or whole wheat flour, and I'll let you know how much I add. I am going to add 1 cup straight right now. So I'm now adding about a quarter cup of it, and you keep mixing it, and the amount of atta you use will depend on how much water your dal had. So you mix with your hand to determine how much you need. Based on my dal's consistency, I ended up using about 1 3/4 cups of atta, and yours may vary. It may go less or more. It all depends on how much fluid your dal has. Now I've added a quarter teaspoon of ajwain to it, and I will knead it through and then let it sit in the fridge. Dough is ready, and now I am going to let it sit in the fridge for 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. A roti bowl, and I made a bigger roti ball, and I'm going to rolling my roti. I am now going to place it on a hot tawa. Goes roti, quick flip. I let it cook for a little while, and then I'll apply some ghee on it. So apply some ghee or oil, and the ghee, give it a flip. And then give it a flip. This is my first missi roti, and I repeat the process. Roti is ready, and I made about 5 to 6 rotis out of it. I think this would be enough for about 3 people, but of course make a little more if you need to, and you can use any leftover dal to make it. So do try it the next time you have a leftover dal, and I'm sure you like it. I did taste it, and it was yummy. See you later. Like, subscribe, and share. See you for now.